Hey guys, thanks for purchasing our balance bike. We appreciate it very much. This is the unboxing video of the 16-inch balance bike. Here is your charger, your foot pegs, and your tool bag. And here is your handy dandy little manual. Please, please, please read it very carefully. The first page is very important. It shows you how to install your front tire and the sequence of the washers. We'll show you in this video. And read them instructions, okay? Tells you exactly how to do it. Of course, there's all this legal mumbo jumbo in there, but there's some super important points. Tells you what's what, location of things, mode, speed switch, okay? Battery replacement, which we've gone through in a video. You can go check out the link here. Okay, important information. Don't toss the manual off to the side, okay? We always do that, but please don't do that. So, first thing we do is cut these zip ties off. Don't cut the wires. Get up under there nicely. Cut that zip tie off, okay? Rotate the handlebars over. Open up your little handy dandy toolkit that you got. Okay. Lay out all your tools. Your 5mm Allen wrench is the one that has the Phillips screwdriver on it. Loosen these up. Alright, once you remove the front handlebar clamp, you can rotate the handlebars up. You'll remove the plastic. Install the 4 screws. Okay, once you insert all the 4 screws, don't tighten one of them completely. Go down in a cross pattern and do them evenly. We don't want to smash that clamp at an angle. So do it in a nice star pattern. This one tight, just a tiny bit. Okay, same thing here. All right. The angle of attack. Oop, I made it too tight. Look at me. Okay. Rotate the handlebars so the power switch and the throttle battery indicator is slightly up. If you rotate it down where the battery is, or excuse me, where the power switch is flat, the child can't twist the throttle all the way because there's too much pull. So what we do is we give you a tiny bit of an angle. Also, the brake switch or the brake lever is at an angle. Okay, so this is about the position that you want the handlebars to be in. Once you put them on, tighten these screws pretty tight. Don't go and kill them, but you know, you can tighten them pretty tight. And that's handlebar installation. Alright, you'll remove the axle. It'll come with the axle installed. Note the sequence that the washers are. You have a washer, a locating washer, and another basically flat washer. On the other side, you got a spacer, a washer, locating washer, and a washer. Okay? It's important that this sequence basically slide the axle into the wheel, washer, locating washer, and another washer. leave one washer to the inside, and on the other side you want to leave the spacer on the inside and a washer. Okay, just like that. So that's how it's going to go on. Hold that there, hold that there. Okay, then you're going to come up and install it like such. Okay, locking washer go in the hole. Put the screw in, or put the nut on the side. Locking washer into the hole. Okay. We give you two sockets. You need to hold one side because it'll spin. Put your Allen wrenches in and tighten it. Before you tighten it, make sure your front wheel's straight. You might have to lift up a little bit. See that right there? Pick it up just a tiny bit and then tighten it down again. All right? If you don't, it's going to be crooked. All right? Hold it in the center. Tighten the nut. And now you can tighten the tooth on the side. And that's it. Front wheels installed. All right, once you have done your assembly of your front wheel and your handlebar, please make sure the handlebar is nice and tight. Double check that your brakes work. Double check that the on and off switch is working properly. Once you on, you twist, your tire will run. Okay. It is in the slowest mode on all bikes. Both 12 and 16 are in the slowest mode. Of course, take all your plastic off and everything like that. Adjust your seat height properly. And most importantly, read this manual. It is not a Chinglish manual. I personally wrote it myself. So make sure you go through it very carefully. It gives detailed instructions on how to operate the bike properly. And or watch these cool videos on how to operate your bike.